Are you looking for a great home in Naperville on the north side? Hi, I'm Jake Tysiak with J-Team at Keller Williams Infinity. I want to invite you to our open house this Saturday here at 5 South 630 Bluff Lane. I'll be holding this home open from 12 to 2, Saturday the 27th. Another room I know you're going to appreciate is this kitchen itself. It was just updated. You have this durable vinyl wood flooring, as well as new cabinets, gorgeous quartz countertops, not to mention the statement piece island, which really anchors the room and calls attention to itself. Now, if you're looking for a home with a large master suite, this is the house for you. Just take a look at all the space in this room. You can easily fit a California king, as well as plenty of space for a little sitting area where you can relax, maybe put a little planning desk. As with any good master suite, you have a great sized walk-in closet. And like the rest of the bathrooms in this home, the master bath is updated as well. Tastefully done tile work through the shower, as well as this glass enclosure really sets it apart. So again, I invite you to join us this Saturday, June 27th from 12 to 2 here at 5 South 630 Bluff Lane in Naperville, Illinois. Come on out, take a look at this great home, all of its features, this beautiful neighborhood. And of course, if you do have any questions, take a look for some more information below or give me a call. I'm Jake Tysiak with Keller Williams. We'll see you this Saturday. Bye.